Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this belt sander from Parkside, the model PBSD 600B1 with adjustable belt speed. Rated power consumption 600 watts, no load belt speed from 170 to 250 meters per minute. Cable length 4 meters. Belt dimension 75 to 457 mm, accessories included with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. And of course included we have in the manual. If you want to read your choice, but stay with me, we're going to find out all about this product. The huge length 4 meters, it makes it more easy to work at any area. I like that. It has only one sanding seat. Included we have one dust collector. I like that. It is very easy to install, just slide, and that was all. Nice. Just pull again. It is very tight, I can see. Okay, nice. We have two screw clamps. You can mount it at the table and you can work more freely. I will show you later. Here we have one reducer and one dust extraction adapter. You can install that here and you can connect your vacuum directly at the sander. And we have in this adapter, maybe your vacuum doesn't fit so well, you have in this adapter. Now let's check the unit. We have the on-off switch. Pressing this button, it will stay on as much you want. The speed control from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to 6, it is the maximum. Here we have the clamping lever, just pull that, you can remove the sanding seat, it is P80. And reinstall a new one. It is very easy to do that. Press and it locks. Here we have the adjustment screw for the belt tracking. The front cover. You can pull that when you are working. Hold the additional handle rubberized grip, I like that. Adjustable with this screw. Pull and you can work more free if you want to use the front area here. Hinged front cover allows access to hard to reach areas, that is very convenient. It is ideal for sanding large areas such as doors or tabletops and more. You name it. So many things to do with this sander. At these two holes here you can insert these clamps and mount it permanently at the table. Here and here. As I mentioned, I will show you later how you can do that. Now let's plug it in and see how it works. Okay, first speed. Second. It takes a while to stop. So let's move on for testing. See the performance on woodworking. After sanding all the wood are so smooth, great results. Choose the sanding paper for the right work, install it at the sander and start sanding by hand or at the workbench. It has the power to complete your task. You can even use it on some tight areas with a folding front cover. Price is so low, only 22 euros. Just buy it for any job, fixing or preparing for paint job. If you want to watch more videos from me, just subscribe, share this video and hit the notification bell. Until my next video, thank you for watching. Have a nice and lovely day.